So, making another video just to show how bad this is. I actually tried to use my MacBook Pro instead of a PC unit to see if the light burn would work any better on the Mac or any different, and it's about the same. So I was going to try to cut out a panel for the laser board and the display and the switches and stuff to replace my current panel. So here's what I got. I've got light burn set up. It's at the home position right now, which you can see it's 400. So now I'm going to take it, I'm going to set it to move it to the origin, which I'm using a user origin, and basically I just set it pretty much to the corner of this. Not exactly on the corner, but close. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this, but I'm not actually cutting it. I'm just basically going to engrave it. I've got it set at 100 first speed, max power 10. So we're going to say okay. And then we're going to go up here. I'm going to hold the phone over here, and I'm going to say start. And let's see what happens. And it just went crazy. And there we go. And there we go. And there we go. Okay, so we'll go ahead and you can see where it finished. We'll go ahead and send it back to its home position. This is what I have on the screen to cut or to engrave. This is what it did using the laser board. Now, again, using the board that came with it, it doesn't have all the laser board features, it does not do that. It does what it's supposed to do. Just, looking for the better features and whatnot. All right, so there's my problem. I basically can't cut anything with any accuracy whatsoever currently with the laser board. Thanks. Okay, so I'm back, and now I have the original Nano board is back installed, or just kind of in there. So I'm back on the PC, and I'm running this free program, this K40 Whisper. I have the same design loaded, except the origin on this is in the back. So here's the previous one, and now we're going to tell it to go. So what I'm doing is I'm going to go this raster engrave, and I have it set at 100 down here so the speed will match what I was doing. I'm only going to make one pass, and I've got the power set at 10. So let me go ahead and get lined up here, and then we'll say raster, we'll vector engrave. And I should have the glass so it would get rid of all that smoke, but this is just for demo purposes. So let's have a look here. Now would you look at that? Kinda. Kinda looks like the drawing, don't it? Everything's nice and aligned. Everything is where it's supposed to be. So I'm just making the point that the stepper motors and the machine, you know, the electronics, laser, everything does function. It does, the steppers are working and doing what they're supposed to do. Thanks.